Dyadia manages all the fortune in the Misty Marshes. This is her passive skill. At intervals, she gains an enhanced basic attack, which dashes her in front of the enemy, knocks them back, then makes her jump backward. She can earn extra gold and reduce the cooldown for her enhanced basic attack by matching any heroes to trigger Blessing of Fortune or Bitter Reconciliation. Her skill 1 is a buff that restores some health to allied heroes. When cast on 2 allied heroes, they gain a movement speed boost when they get close to each other, and upon meeting, they gain a large health restoration and movement speed boost. If cast again on the same target, she will dash to their location, continuously restore their health, provide a movement speed boost, and recover her health while following them. Her skill 2 is a crowd control skill. It exposes an enemy and reduces their gold while dealing continuous magical damage. When cast on 2 enemies, if they get close, they experience a slow effect, and upon meeting, the damage is cancelled and the reduced gold is returned. If cast again on the same enemy, she will dash to their location, immobilize them, and deal significant magical damage. Her ultimate is an area damage skill. It heals allied heroes within range and deals magical damage to enemies. If allies have good fortune, it refreshes the duration, triggers additional healing, and increases their movement speed. If enemies have bad fortune, it refreshes the duration, deals additional damage, and immobilizes them. This is her maximum damage combo for team fights. Start with skill 2 to mark an enemy with bad fortune, reducing their gold, and then use skill 2 again on the same enemy to crowd control them and deal damage. Follow up with an enhanced basic attack to knock back the enemy and deal additional damage. Next, use the skill 1 on an allied hero to grant good fortune and restore their health. Use skill 1 again to trigger good fortune, increasing their speed and restoring their health. Finally, use ultimate to provide great healing for your team and deal wide-range area damage to enemies in the team fight center. This combo mainly uses skill 1 and 2 to achieve bad fortune and good fortune, earning gold to boost the damage and healing of ultimate. Dyadia should max her skill 2 at level 1 to continually reduce the enemy's gold, working with lane teammates to suppress enemies. At level 2, level up skill 1 to support teammates with healing. After unlocking ultimate at level 4, her capabilities increase significantly. The skill 2 and ultimate combo will help quickly earn gold, enhancing ultimate's damage and healing. She is relatively squishy, so she should generally stay in the backline during team fights, continuously using skill 2 to poke enemies, skill 1 to heal allies, and ultimate for wide range healing and area damage to support the team's marksman. Whenever an allied carry is in danger, she can always appear in time, using skill 1 and ultimate to provide high healing, allowing them to quickly restore health and counterattack. In the early game, Dyadia's healing is relatively low, so focus on earning gold by using skill 1 and 2 to suppress enemies in the lane. After reaching level 4, her capabilities are greatly enhanced, allowing her to cast on multiple enemies to earn more gold. As the game progresses into the mid and late game, her accumulated gold increases her healing and damage, enabling her to support the team continuously and snowball her gold advantage.
End your grudges with a laugh. You found a love that's truly rare. A chance encounter can still lead to friendship.